and thank you very much for asking me to be here today. It's a topic that I'm really very interested in, and I always really enjoy introducing people to prompt engineering and generative AI, and even for people that have been using it and are currently using it. Hopefully, there's plenty in the 1 hour presentation today that they can take away and um, try and experiment. So I've tried to make this presentation very much about, as you say, actionable insights and things that people can take away and go and have some fun with, and ultimately increase efficiency and accuracy and profit in their practices.
Okay, and it's good to see what's happening in the chat already. Oh, we've got lots of saying that they're not using AI at all at the moment. Oh, some haven't even heard of they haven't even heard of some of those platforms. So this is going to be really good for you. Michael, just a quick one. Is it from basic level, or are you going from a premise that people already have some understanding?
Now, look, very much from a basic level, but as you know, you'd appreciate, there's only so much we can cover in 1 hour. So it's very much just a quick orientation around a few of the platforms. And again, it's really positioned at people that either haven't used it or have sort of played around with it, but aren't really getting results that they're sort of happy with, or they know there's more to it.
Okay, excellent, great. Well, if there's no other further quick questions now, we might start this session.
As you know, the topic of today's presentation is how your practice can leverage AI right now. The particular focus of the presentation is on how lawyers can get the most out of large language models like ChatGPT and others. This presentation is part of a 3-part series. In subsequent presentations, we'll be examining legal-specific platforms like CoCounsel and Lexis AI, as well as we'll be discussing how to develop and promote an AI usage policy that both addresses privacy and satisfies practitioner duties. But we've kicked off the series today with large language models like ChatGPT, as this is the way that most people and most lawyers first use generative AI in an area that is getting much media attention and interest at the moment. The legal industry is often cited as being one of the industries most likely to be significantly disrupted by generative AI. As consultants, we are focused on helping practices sort the fact from the fiction and to find ways that they can implement AI to stay at the forefront of the industry. We're all about practical applications of generative AI, and I hope you leave the presentation today with several actionable insights. It is both an exciting and a challenging time for AI in the legal industry. As AI consultants, we spend hours per day keeping up with the developments in AI and ourselves using new platforms and trying out new released versions of existing ones. Generative AI is developing at a staggering pace, and we understand that it sometimes might seem daunting to keep pace with these developments, along with the demanding day-to-day requirements of being a lawyer. In the midst of disruption to the industry, though, comes an opportunity to set yourself and your practice apart. It is our genuine belief that lawyers who embrace generative AI and invest time and effort in staying up to date with new developments will be the ones that thrive.